Hello, we will be showing you how to apply for graduation. Just a reminder that you will need to complete this process in order to be awarded your degree or certificate, even if you do not plan to attend commencement. Let's begin by opening up the Classic Student Center. Locate and open the drop-down menu labeled Other Academics. Select Apply Graduation/Completion. Click on the program that you wish to apply for graduation. Make sure to read the information on the page. On the bottom, be sure to select your expected graduation term. If you need to apply to graduate from multiple programs, click on Select Additional Programs. If not, you will then just hit Continue. Please confirm that all the information on this page is correct. You will be able to edit how your name appears on your certificate or diploma, as well as the address where you would like this to be mailed to. Please keep in mind that your diploma could take up to 2 months to arrive. Make sure to input any missing information such as post-completion email address and hometown and state. Don't forget to select whether you will be attending commencement. Once all the fields are completed, click Submit Application. Now you have successfully applied for graduation.